Alright, let's go. Oh shit. Yo, dude. What happened to the radar? Why is it like stopping every second, yo? Oh crap, I haven't played this game in a while. Ooh. No, froze that's my excuse, dude. I haven't played this game in ages. Oh god. See, look at that. I suck. All the cops. See, look at that. My aim is so off. Oh god, no. God damn, I suck. Oh damn, my aim is so off. I'm just trying to tease myself. I don't know why. No, for real, that's my excuse though. I haven't played this game in a while. Look at that. Already. Oh! It's called I'm a beast. Oh, I'm just a beast, guys. Okay. Oh. Don't rage, man, don't rage. Ah, I don't want to make no excuses. I don't know, just killed you. I'm not ending. Ah! Oh shit! You guys want me to go try her? Here. You want to bring it, huh, buddy? I have a feeling someone's gonna spawn around here. Haha. Where are you? I'm so scared. Yeah, bro. That's gun. I don't camp. Don't even say it. That wasn't me. Ah! You saw that, Chris? I tried to go for the knife. Oh, the guy just died. Yo, I put so many bullets. My aim is so off. Come back. Come back, my ass. You mean pull out my pistol? My chicken finger a lot faster than yours. Oh! I killed you with my last bullet. Oh my god. Fuck no, I was kidding. I was kidding. Oh yeah, I grabbed it. What's up, what's up? I got my Afterglow controller on, so I don't have no mods or none, so let's go. It's blue. Nice. No, for that's my slow trigger finger. I could go faster. It's just this Afterglow. It's like brand new, so it's like alright. I'm not doing that no more. I'm just gonna kill people for real. I'm about to win. Maybe it'll happen. Maybe it won't happen. Oh my god, you are such a camper. Someone. Oh, it's teabag on Chris. Oh. 10 kills, that's all you're getting. Oh, what? call the cops, yo. Watch when I get this last kill. It's gonna be amazing. And it's gonna be Orion. Oh, yeah. Watch and learn. Look at that, buddy. That's your skill. Alright, thank you for watching, guys, and peace out. They just got their ass crushes. Bye-bye.